What happens when your egg ovulates? Do you get pregnant immediately or does it happen after a few days? I am Dr. Suvarchala, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. So you ovulate around 15 days before your period. So no matter what your period cycle is, 28 days, 30 days, 32 days, ovulation occurs around 14 to 15 days before every period. So it's very important to understand the symptoms of ovulation. Once the egg ovulates, it lasts only for 12 to 24 hours. You have to understand this. Eggs do not last for too long. So on the day of ovulation to around the next day, around 24 hours later, the egg degenerates. Within this time period, if there are sperms inside the tubes where the egg is waiting, fertilization happens. So the tubes have to be open. They have to have the right atmosphere. The fluid inside it has to be good. The egg has to be supported nutritionally inside the tubes as well. Sperms last inside the uterus for about 4 to 5 days. Eggs have a very short shelf life, as I told you. When fertilization happens, only one single sperm enters the egg. So there is no chance that two will enter, and if two enter, then the embryo is abnormal. It's a very impossible occurrence. So to think that if two sperms enter, twins do not form. It is an aneuploidy. It is an abnormal embryo. Once the embryo is formed, if only one sperm goes and the embryo is formed, the embryo rolls down the tube, developing every day. It develops every day, grows and multiplies, divides, and around the 5th day or 6th day, it reaches the uterus and implants itself. So this is a very important process where the tubes, like I said, have to be patent and provide the right atmosphere for the embryo. Once implantation happens, once the embryo embeds itself into the endometrium, it is known as implantation. Pregnancy is confirmed with a beta-hCG in blood. This is a hormone which is released by the embryo, and this is confirmed in a blood test. If you do not do a blood test, a urine pregnancy test can confirm whether you are pregnant or not. It is a simple process, fertilization, but the timing has to be accurate. The most critical thing is timing. When the egg ovulates, waits in the tubes, if the sperms are present, then fertilization happens. That's why the day the egg is released, that day and 4 days before are the days which are called as fertile window or the best fertility days. Sperms, if they are there even from 4 days before, they can survive, reach the tubes, and if the egg ovulates, one single sperm can fertilize the egg. So this is what happens during fertilization once the egg is released. If you wish to understand more or want to plan your pregnancy naturally or with treatment, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.